अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज मैं और मेरा भाई दोबारा से बाहर निकल आए। वी हैव सम एरंड्स टू रन। अभी बाहर घूम रहे हैं, काम कर रहे हैं। हमने सोचा टाइम है तो आपके लिए हम लोग वीडियो भी बना लेते हैं, ब्लॉग बना लेते हैं। खैर, तो कल के मैच के बारे में रोयल आप लोगों से कुछ कहना चाहता है? गो अहेड।
यार देखो, मुझे एक पोस्ट मिली है, सही है, एंड इट हैज़ अबाउट like 10 different points of why it could be rigged, the whole match. See, number one, we have Scaloni, the coach. He arrives at the stadium and gets off the team bus in tears. Match se pehle, why is he in tears? Okay, and then we have Messi, and all the players come out of the locker room with their heads down. This is also very strange. And then we have, during the pre-match team talk, Messi says, let's forget about everything, let's just play, forget about everything. Enzo Fernandez and Lisandro Martinez can clearly be seen crying. Nobody applauds the speech, everyone looks sad.
What else?
Number 4, during the warm-up, Messi keeps deliberately kicking shots wide off the goal. And I've seen a video of that as well. Number 5, the referee doesn't show Spain a single yellow card. Oyarzabal, I don't know, pata nahi iska naam kya hai, hits Messi directly on the knee while the ball is nowhere near them, and Messi just looks at him without saying anything. Usko na yellow mila, na foul mila, na kuch. Actually, I think foul mila hoga, I don't remember, but yellow nahi mila, as he should have gotten. And then we have one player that I hate so much, Cucu Cucurella. He covers his mouth and is not sent off. Okay, regarding Enzo Fernandez, I don't think he deserved a second yellow for that. It was a foul, but if you were watching the match, you would have also agreed that he went to get the ball. Say yeah, ball us pe touch hui, Spanish player pe touch hui. Like he cleared it first, and then he crashed onto Enzo Fernandez. उसने ना leg extend करी, ना कुछ भी नहीं था. So I don't think he deserved a yellow for that, honestly.
Okay.
This one, yeah. Scaloni uses a completely different tactical approach from all of his previous matches. No midfield, leaving Messi and Julian Alvarez isolated up front while Spain dominates the game. Lautaro Martinez, a very good point. Lautaro Martinez, who is usually an important option, he never comes on. उसको use ही नहीं किया, उसको डाला ही नहीं, अजीब.
Okay. So what does that have to do with anything?
That the game is rigged for Spain to win, and there has to be some sort of match fixing, जिसकी वजह से पूरी फॉर्मेशन चेंज हुई है. अजीब और गरीब चीज़ें हो रही थी मैच में, पूरी अटैक फॉर्मेशन थी ही नहीं. And it was just very disappointing, honestly. Like it was not how they usually play. So it's very, like in that moment I was like, yeah, शायद pressure में आके अजीब सा खेला, and yeah, maybe, you know, it's fine, whatever. Lekin the more you look into the match, the more it's just weird कि अजीब पूरा tournament इतना अच्छा खेला, and there was a whole formation, there was proper substitution, and then in the final it's just there's no point, man.
Okay, so everything you said was the conclusion, yeah. And what was the point you were trying to make?
That I feel like all of this time, like from the beginning of the tournament, they've been saying that Argentina ke liye match fixed, tournament rigged hai, and you know, it's all in his favor and Argentina's favor. In the end, final mein, you know, it was clear that rigging kiske against हुई थी, you know, in the big final. And it's just very disappointing, honestly, like the whole tournament kya performance tha Argentina ka, and to come in the final and just all of that to happen, it's just unexplainable, honestly. It's not like it's disappointing. It's not like, I'm not even sad, I'm just disappointed कि हुआ क्या है.
Anyway, so आप लोगों ने सुन लिया होगा why Spain might have rigged the game. Anyways, आप बताइएगा comments में कि आप लोगों को क्या लगता है. Is he right about what he said? Does it make sense? खैर जो भी हुआ, the World Cup is over now, and honestly the World Cup journey was good, no matter who cheated, who did not. I personally enjoyed the fact that I met my friends a lot and enjoying the game with them all together at my place, sometimes outside, sometimes at someone else's place. We all enjoyed, so I'm glad that although the tournament wasn't as good as it should have been, the moments it gave us as friends, it was really good. Alhamdulillah.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
Anyways guys, so honestly हमें कुछ आइडिया नहीं है कि हम लोग कंटेंट में बनाए तो क्या बनाएं. What we have been doing this entire time is just recording anything, just anything, and we have been posting it. So for the few watchers that we already have, please हमें ideas दो. हमें बताओ कि क्या करना चाहिए, क्या अपलोड करना चाहिए, कोई चैलेंज करना चाहिए. ओके खैर, हमें जो सामान लेना था हमने ले लिया. हम रात में एक शॉप थी वहाँ पे इसकी गाड़ी के लिए हमने एक टर्बो किट मंगवाई हुई थी, तो वी जस्ट पिक दैट अप. वो अभी गाड़ी की डिक्की में, हम आपको बाद में दिखाएंगे. अभी हम जा रहे हैं पेट्रोल डलवाने के लिए. यू कैन सी पेट्रोल बिल्कुल ही ख़त्म है हमारा. सो अभी हम गाड़ी को फुल करेंगे और फिर आगे दिखाते हैं. Anyways guys, we got home a bit earlier. We got a little busy, so I couldn't record much for you guys. But I'll catch up with you guys in the next vlog. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.